Alright, so you're on board. You want to create these Google calendars so that you can embed them and share them with your teachers and put them in all the places where they need to go. First step is to actually create some calendars. Now I've got a list here in this section of the calendars I think you should have: assignments, due dates, on track together, weekly spotlight, student choice, and then something I call CAVA time, which just has information about, say, holidays, testing days, final schedule, stuff like that. Which really, this one could be shared with everyone in CAVA High School, and that would be just fine. Among your group, for each course, you only need one of these calendars, and you just share it with everyone else. If you want to have your own separate assignments, you can make your own separate assignments calendar, but let's just have a quick run through of how to create the calendars. So first thing, go to google.com/calendar. There we are, and it's going to show a bunch of calendars. So if you want to create one, you go to My Calendar, go to this drop down box, create new calendar. Type in a name, a description, all that other good stuff. You got to make it public. If you don't make it public, none of your students will be able to see it unless you explicitly share it with them with their Gmail account. That's not good. You don't want that. You do want to share this calendar with other teachers, and they'll have to have Google accounts for this, so you'll need their Gmail addresses. So I'll just put teacher@gmail.com. Give them permission to make changes and manage sharing so that they can share it with new teachers as they join the group, yada yada yada. Add that person automatically. They can they'll see this calendar in their calendar, they can make changes, whatever. You will want to add the name of the course in the calendar name, otherwise it gets confusing when you have multiple courses that you teach. Okay, so here's an example. I have Chem 302, 303, on track together, student choice, weekly spotlight, assignments, and due dates that we're seeing here. Okay, that's pretty much it. There's one more thing that you'll want to do, and that is you'll want to set the colors, which is really easy. Just go to one of the calendars, hit the drop down button, and just click on the color you want right here. Alright, so the convention is to give the on track togethers pink, student choice kind of a greenish, and weekly spotlight bluish. I don't know who came up with those colors, but that's the ones they use. Those are the ones they use everywhere. I put assignments in green and due dates in red, and CAVA time in kind of this manila cover. Okay, so that is the first step. Create the calendars, make them public, and share them with whoever else needs to edit those calendars.